Hello everyone. Today's tutorial is all about sky lantern. Most of people called it hot air balloon, or in India it's called fanus. In Bangladesh it's called fanus also. So for this you need a clean paper which made for watercolor only. Now draw gently. No hard press. Remember, for watercolor you always need to draw gently. It's time to apply water on it. I just make it fast forward because you know how to apply water on a paper for wash. For color, you need Prussian blue and black. Mix Prussian blue and black together and apply it on your washy area. See, the water is helping the color to move properly. The ratio of color and water is 2:4. If the color quantity is 4%, you need to add 2% water with color first, then mix it together and apply it on your desired area. You see how I am applying, just follow the every step. If you have your own choice, you can apply your own color also. Now move the canvas left, right, up and down so the color can move with one another properly. Watercolor is beautiful, just you need to know how to use it properly. After applying all the color, all the places must wait to dry it properly. For working area, I used brown, red and yellow color. Apply red color on it, then yellow, and use water middle on it so they can mixed properly. For every balloon, I used the same color and the same method. This is the brown color I'm applying right now, and the water on it so that color can spread out. Yellow is for flame. apply brown color behind the flame so that flame would look so brighter. In every balloon you need to apply the same method behind every flame. For brown color those flames would look more brighter because the dark shade behind of every flames. See, I'm applying those brown color behind all the little white circle. Now I'm applying yellow color with every white circle. You can also use yellow plus white, so those circles, those flames will look more brighter. For little fanush only use the brush and the yellow color. Use small dots, some big dots, or some medium dots, and must use yellow downside and the orange upper side. Watch carefully what I am doing here. This is the easiest way I think for everyone. You can do it easily. After applying those all kinds of small, medium and large dots, let them dry and apply those colors again, because you are applying those orange and yellow color on a blue surface, so the blue surface will absorb those colors. That's why you need to apply those colors almost 2 times or 3 times, so it will look more brighter. Thanks for watching. Hope you like it a lot and stay connected with me. Share this with your friend and practice this tutorial at home and make some amazing drawing. Keep going. God bless you. See you soon with my next video. Till then, bye bye. Take care.